Meow. Meow. Hey, Matty. Ziggy, are you feeling left out?
Alright, let's make this
Come on, Ziggy.
snappy.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno, welcome to Umbria. Lipiano. Umbria is a small village right across from us. Actually, you can't see it, I'll show you that in a bit. And you can see Millie is parked at an awesome angle.
I don't think any video actually justifies how steep Millie's parked right now.
Yeah.
You cannot stand up inside Millie. You slide down the floor.
This is not optimal, but anyway, we are here for 7 days, maybe
A
8,
week or so.
10 days or so. And we're looking after this house and that house and 2 cats. I'll show you that too later at some point. But right now, we've been here a few days. We've done some things to the van. Quite a lot, actually. Busy. So we're gonna hop in the Panda.
Because that's what you do when you live in the Italian countryside.
Oh yes, look at that beauty. And we're gonna do some chores, just get some rubbish out, go to the shops quickly, and I don't know, go explore these roads. These roads are something else, eh? And yes, we came from there with our camper van, and we have to go there when we leave.
If we leave.
Wow, I'm nervous already. Oh, and there's the village.
Over there is Lipiano.
Yeah, look at that. Yo, this road makes me nervous. We're Andre and Lisa, a married South African Italian couple who have been traveling together for almost 20 years to more than 40 countries. Over the past year, we have traveled through 13 countries in Europe with our motorhome. Please subscribe to join our adventure.
Watch the tree. Oh. We're going down to the right. Holy moly.
Is this the way in and out?
Yes. Ooh. That's quite bumpy. Wow. That must be the house over there. Holy moly. I think that's where we're going. And so begins the fun task of unpacking Millie, so that we can do some cleaning as well as some repair works and improvements.
Everything must come out. Everything must be sorted out. How the hell do we even start? I don't know.
Swapping empty bags.
It's gonna take a while because now we parked at such a massive slope here. It's a nightmare. I didn't know that we could accumulate so much stuff. So all garage stuff is full. Anyway, tomorrow the weather will be better, hopefully.
Don't fall off the roof.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Although the view is beautiful, the angle is a little bit off. Okay, so this morning's mission is gonna be a lot more interesting. I'm attempting to replace the existing roof vent with a new max fan vent. Here's the old one. I've already taken the screws out, and now I have to somehow lift this thing off here. And we're going to put the sealant down, and maybe I'll just put 1 or 2 screws in. Sealant is in. Well, there you have it. Job done.
So while Andre is busy working up on the roof, say hello.
Hello.
I am going to go strawberry picking. Oh, I spot one. Look at that. Here's some good ones hanging at the bottom over here. I got some strawberries, look.
Okay, let's get pandaing. This panda was bought new as the very, very last pandas in the shape. 1998, I think it was.
1999 or 1998.
It's got a few quirks, as you can see.
Oh gosh, is this all our garbage? Oh my
That's
word.
all recycling, so it's just like this in here. Everything's gonna bounce on the shopping bags. Put that in here. Oh gosh, now I gotta get this closed again. The security, yeah. Well, I think I'm molded inside this panda. Let's go. Okay, this is tiny.
Whoa!
Really?
The windscreen is so small, I can get it in
Holy
just
moly.
like this.
Let's go one wiper blade.
This is adorable.
We're gonna go down this with our van.
I know.
I'm so freaking out. You see how
my
these people,
God.
the locals, drive?
I feel so close to the ground.
Dude, I think we are close to the ground. I literally feel like I'm driving a Mario Kart in Mario Kart.
This feels like a toy car.
It's so small. Funny thing is, like, I haven't driven a car, a normal sized car, not that this is normal, in a year, I suppose. So everything feels changed. Pay attention to this road. We're gonna have to drive this with Millie. Oh, Millie, I'm gonna make it across this bump. Oh, Millie.
I don't know if this is better or worse, having driven this road before, like to know what's coming. I want fun. And as you do in Italy, you pull your little panda over the side of the road and you do your recycling.
Okay, it's gotta be a wet. We get in. First job done. Next stop, go pick up our package. And then we're gonna need to find the shop, I suppose, eh?
Yep.
I was too scared to get out of this car because I struggled to get in. At least I might need a handle this one.
Oh, Dorothy! We got parcels. Hardware store.
What is there?
Go see where the hardware store is.
Alright, packages.
So if we got
Done. You want to do what?
paint the van. What do you mean you shouldn't be painting inside of a camper van?
With a roller. A ton of paint.
I could have a brush like this.
Oh god. Stucco finish.
I think this is a good idea.
We'll see.
Come on, Ziggy, come say hello. Ciao, Ziggy. Ciao, Ziggy. Ciao, ciao. No, look at this kitty cat. Isn't he adorable? Hey, Ziggy. Am I allowed in?
Now, I know it might seem unconventional to paint the inside of a camper van, but why not? The reason why we're doing it is that we have these mismatched panels, firstly, and secondly, some of the panels got really bad glue marks on. So we decided we're just going to get a good quality paint and go white all the way through.
I am so excited about this. You have no idea.
It's so silly, but I suppose the small things, eh?
It is. Those glue marks have been bothering me for a year now. And here you can actually see the difference between what's been painted white and the original
glue
colors.
marks here. You can see a lot. Unfortunately, you can also now see what has happened here. This is why I say it's not just a small hole. This is where that light is.
That looks like a disaster. There we're going to put a new light, which we haven't found yet. Oh my god, the aircon looks so strange. It's like taken apart.
Color off.
Can I take over from you?
No, it's fine, Annie.
Freak.
Let me go see if I can't decide on that front panel.
And of course, our little kitty cat's always waiting for us outside the camper. Hey, Matty. Hey, Matty.
Finally, the ventilation upgrades are completed for now. We contemplated taking the old vent that we removed when we put the max fan in and put in the front, but I just don't have the nerve for it right now. Let me show you quickly how everything works. Alright, so we fitted the new fridge fan, and now there's a new little control here. So when you switch it on, it defaults to a 3 fan speed, 3 out of 6, or you can put an auto, which I quite like. Right now, the fans are off because it's nice and cold. You can see outside it's actually 16 degrees at the moment. Now the next one we did was put the Titan fan into this Fiamma vent. It sits very nicely. They give you a whole bunch of fitting hardware. Comes with a little remote, and I can actually operate it from here. If I press on, it switches the fan on, and then I can change it to different modes. So we can choose a percentage of the fan speed. We can also change the direction of the fan, whichever way we want. So let's put it on max. And at the moment it's drawing wind in. Very cool. Switch off. Now one of our biggest problems was being able to create ventilation without being affected by foul weather, and that's why we put this guy in here. So this job's done now, and you guys can also see we removed this rear light and stole the power for this fan. And we also painted the ceiling. It looks a bit cleaner. So this guy's got a remote, and nice and noisy. Untested as yet, but should be fun. Now this guy got some power. I got max speed. At the moment, throwing it out, and it's going. I think it was a successful mission. While we're here, we'll quick look at this ceiling. So we did. Not too bad. Oh, this was a smooth section. That was actually the most tricky part. The rest, doing pretty nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this little changing video. Now we are planning a few other videos which you might find interesting. It's been more than a year now since we've been living full-time in this motorhome traveling Europe. We're going to do a video recapping what we've learned and maybe offer you some tips. Then of course we're not stopping our travels.
We are hitting the road again. In fact, I'm very excited.
We want to catch the tail end of summer and hopefully a bit of windy season in Sicily before the rains hit us. We don't know exactly yet where we're heading for winter, but we're probably going to stay in Europe. Anyway guys, we'll catch you on the road, and as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing.
See you next time on the road.
Arrivederci.